Today's worksheet is finding the X and Y intercepts worksheet, and it's March 26th. You'll see that all these equations are in standard form. And so I wanted to show you a little bit about how to do this. We've done this, it's just been a little while. In order to find the X and Y intercept, you're going to plug 0 in for both. So if you want to write that at your top of your paper, plug 0 in for both, okay? And you're going to have to do it two different ways because you're going to have to figure out what the x-intercept is and the y-intercept is. So the first one, if we're trying to figure out the x or the y-intercept, we'll plug in, we'll rewrite the equation first, and then I'm going to plug in 0 in for x. Okay, so you'll see that I just put a 0 in where the x was, and so 4 times 0 is 0, and so that just becomes 0 plus y equals 5, so y equals 5. So the y-intercept would be written like this. It'd be 0 for the x and 5 for the y. Then if you rewrite the equation to figure out the y-intercept, the x-intercept, you're going to go 4x plus, and we're going to plug in 0, equals 5. 4x equals 5, because the 0 just cancels out. And then we'll divide both sides by 4. X equals 5/4. So your x-intercept would be 5/4 and 0. So basically you're just going to plug in 0 for each one. You'll do the equation twice. So you'll see I have one column solving for y and one column solving for x. You plug in 0 for the opposite letter, and it should give you your final answer. Now if you change 5/4, it would be 1 and 1/4. So if you want to put 1 and 1/4, 0, that'd be fine if you want to change it to a mixed number instead of an improper fraction.